Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to make delicious Turkish coffee. So as all of you know, probably it was invented by Turkish people, and in 15th century it was exported to Europe, and that's how coffee actually has been extracted to all of the countries. And so I wanted to show you the tips that I have and the secrets that I have when making the Turkish coffee. So let's get it started. So let's see what shall we have before getting started. So I have here Turkish coffee pot. If you don't have Turkish coffee pot, you can use something that is similar to this. Then you need water, you need sugar. I'm gonna make a Turkish coffee for two person. So here I've got 2 teaspoons of sugar. We try not to use sugar, so instead of that I'm gonna use just one sweetener for both of us. But if you guys want to use sugar, it's 2 tablespoons. Turkish people separate the sugar into two, with low sugar and with high sugar. Some people use 1 teaspoon, some people use 1.5 teaspoon per person, but we are just gonna use the sweetener. Then here we've got Turkish coffee. In here I have already prepared for 2 person per person 1.5 teaspoons. If you prefer it stronger, then you can use per person 2 teaspoons. And then you're gonna need Turkish coffee cups. So in my opinion, Turkish coffee is like Bentley or Rolls Royce among the coffee. So I'm gonna get it started. So we take water and we pour into our Turkish coffee cup. I'm gonna make for 2 persons, so I need 2 of them. Let's take and we add here. Then we are gonna open fire here. In the beginning, we have opened our fire, and then we are gonna place our Turkish coffee pot. Once we have placed, we start adding our coffee first, then sweetener, and then we start mixing. So as I told you, we try not to use sugar. For that reason we are using just 1 sweetener, but people use sugar. So if you want to use with sugar, then per person, if you want a low sugar, then you can use 1 tablespoon, or if you want with high sugar, then you can use 1.5 teaspoons. I'm sorry, I meant teaspoons when I said 1 teaspoon for the low level sugar. Guys, so in Turkish coffee, when making, it's very important that you have here foam of the coffee, because Turkish people value the foam. So once it's boiled and you see the foam, first you take the foam and then you place into your Turkish coffee cups. So we've placed, now we are gonna wait for it. So every time the foam comes up, you just take the foam to your Turkish coffee cups. The second time when you place, you just make the lowest level fire, and then you wait it until the foam comes up. Now it's ready, So we are gonna pour our Turkish coffee. You see the foam here? That's what we love. It smells already so good, guys, so let's try it out. Oh god. It's very good, guys. It goes very nice with chocolate, or if you have dried fruits, that's also nice. Turkish people drink usually with water. They serve it with 1 glass of water, and if you want, you can use water. I like this way, just plain. I hope this video will be useful for you to make your own delicious Turkish coffee at home. Thank you for watching our video. We are wishing you to have a nice day. If you like our video, don't forget to press the like button. And if you want, you can also subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.